Hi, my name is Stephanie and I work for California State Parks at Lake Tahoe. And today, in celebration of Earth Day 2020, I want to bring to you a really simple activity you can do at home to represent watersheds. It's called Wrinkly Watersheds. So what is a watershed exactly, and why are they important? Watersheds are important because everybody lives in a watershed, including me and you. A watershed is an area of land that water flows through to a common place, like a river, a lake, or an ocean. So can you imagine all the sorts of things that can end up in our rivers, lakes, and oceans besides water? For this simple activity, you need just a few items. You need a spray bottle filled with water, a large piece of paper, a bowl, and your favorite color marker, just one. Your piece of paper represents the area of land in your watershed. So where I am, that is the surrounding mountains. So take your large piece of paper and crumple it up into a ball. Then smooth it out somewhat. It should look like an area of land with ridges and valleys, kind of like if you were a bird flying over the mountains. Next, take your favorite marker color. I'm going to choose purple. And you're going to rub your marker along the ridges of your land. See where the highest areas are? I'm going to rub my marker all along that. Now you're going to use your bowl. Your bowl is going to act as the basin landform. So here in Lake Tahoe, we live in the Lake Tahoe Basin. And basin is another word for a bowl or a sink. So we're going to tuck our piece of paper into the bowl, just like this. And wrap the edges around. Try not to puncture your paper. Now we're going to use our spray bottle to represent rain or precipitation on our watershed. And we're going to see what happens within our basin. So you should see a small lake start to form within your basin. Also, I noticed that the color on my mountain ridges is beginning to run, which tells me that the water flow picks up things within the watershed and carries them into the lake. What happened to the water that was outside of the basin? I hope you enjoyed making this wrinkly watershed, and happy Earth Day 2020 from our watershed to yours.